Hello friends. Duck HD Clear Heavy Duty Packing Tape with Dispenser, 2 rolls, 1.88 inch x 54.6 yard, 393184. Brand Duck. Color Clear. Material Biaxially Oriented Polypropylene. Number of items 1. Recommended uses for product packaging. About this item. Heavy duty for a strong and secure hold to keep your valuables safe while moving, shipping or in storage. Offers wide temperature range performance for shipping and storage in hot or cold temperatures. Adhesive bond strengthens over time for a long-lasting hold on boxes, perfect for storage. Crystal clear to the core for a professional look on boxes or taping address labels. Meets postal regulations for shipping tape. Clear packing tape, 12 rolls, quiet packaging tape 1.5 inch core shipping tape refill rolls moving tape for packing boxes, 2 inch x 25 yards. Brand MJUNM. Color white. Number of items 12. Recommended uses for product packaging. Surface recommendation plastic. About this item. Ideal for hassle-free moving. MJUNM's noiseless packing tape ensures silent unwinding to make packing a peaceful task, without the screechy sounds of traditional tapes. Perfect for packaging moving boxes, sealing wardrobe moving boxes, or as shipping tape with dispenser. Ultimate strength and adhesion, designed for securing large moving boxes, our clear packing tape forms a strong bond on your boxes, offering the safety and durability you need. Ideal for use with a tape gun for packing boxes. Compatible with 1.5 inch tape dispenser, the diameter of this packaging tape core is 1.5 inches wide and the tape is 2 inches wide, in length of 25 yards. It can be paired with a 1.5 inch tape gun. Crystal clarity with eco-friendly adhesive, the high transparency of the MJUNM packaging tape ensures your labels stay visible. Safe for the environment and free from toxic solvents like formaldehyde, it's safe for all your packing needs. Versatile packing companion. Whether you're securing moving tape for boxes, packing materials for moving, or shipping tape rolls, MJUNM tape provides reliable performance for all your packing, mailing, and organizing tasks. Visa transparent tape with dispenser, 3/4 by 1000 inches, 12 rolls clear tapes and refillable dispensers, office tape rolls with dispenser bulk for craft jobs, home and school supplies. Brand Visa. Color transparent. Material biaxially oriented polypropylene. Number of items 12. Recommended uses for product arts and craft. About this item. Classic design, stable quality, we are committed to impressing you with professional products. You can feel free to purchase. Reliable adhesive, crafted from high-quality bought material plus unique adhesive technology, our clear tape gives you a strong, secure, and permanent seal. Time-saving dispenser for smooth precision, the ergonomic dispenser ensures easy one-handed use.